create some distance. The most easiest way to get someone to miss you is just to remove yourself as much as you can from their life.
Here's the thing nobody wants to admit about attraction. If she's genuinely not interested in you, there's no magic spell that's going to change her mind overnight. But what most guys don't understand is why she's indifferent in the first place. And once you crack that code, everything changes. Right now, you're probably thinking you need to do more. Text her more. Be nicer. Show up more often. Prove your worth harder. But I'm about to show you why that approach is actually pushing her further away. And more importantly, I'm going to give you a completely different strategy that flips the script entirely. Because here's what's really happening. Every time you chase, every time you overinvest, every time you make yourself completely available, you're actually confirming her suspicions about you. You're proving that you're the guy who has nothing else going on. The guy whose attention comes free. The guy who's always going to be there waiting in the background. And in a world where she's getting constant validation from social media, where her DMs are flooded with guys trying to get her attention, where every man is desperately competing for her notice, your efforts just become background noise. White noise that her brain automatically filters out to protect itself from overwhelm. Think about it. When something is always available, always there, always accessible, do you value it? Do you miss it when it's gone? Of course not. You only miss what's scarce. You only crave what's rare. You only think about what's absent. So if you want her to miss you, the counterintuitive truth is this. You need to give her less of you, not more. You need to become scarce, not abundant. You need to disappear, not chase. But here's where most guys completely mess this up. They think disappearing means sulking at home, checking her Instagram stories, and waiting for her to notice they're gone. That's not attractive. That's just pathetic with a different strategy. Real disappearing means building a life so compelling, so full, so magnetic, that whether she notices or not, you're winning either way. It means becoming the kind of man who has options, who has things going on, who doesn't need her validation to feel good about himself. Let me break down exactly how this works. First, you need to understand what creates the psychological condition where someone starts missing another person. It's called a pattern interrupt. Her brain gets used to certain patterns. Your name in her notifications, your likes on her photos, your texts throughout the day, your availability when she's bored. When those patterns suddenly stop, her brain notices. Not consciously at first, but subconsciously. Something feels different. Something's missing. And that's when curiosity kicks in. But your absence can't feel empty or desperate. It needs to feel intentional and purposeful. She needs to see that your life is moving forward without her. That you're busy with interesting things, interesting people, interesting experiences. This is where social proof becomes your secret weapon. When she sees you living well, when she sees other people enjoying your company, when she sees that you're not sitting around pining for her, two thoughts hit her simultaneously. First, wow, he's actually fine without me. Second, and this is the important one, wait, who is he spending all that time with? That second thought is pure gold because it's the beginning of romantic curiosity. She starts wondering about your life in a way she never did when you were always available. Now, timing becomes crucial. You can't disappear for 2 days and expect her to suddenly realize she can't live without you. Real pattern interrupts take time to register emotionally. We're talking weeks, not days. Long enough for the absence to actually be felt. During this time, you're not just sitting around waiting. You're genuinely improving yourself. You're hitting the gym harder. You're developing new skills. You're expanding your social circle. You're pursuing goals that matter to you. You're becoming a more interesting, more confident, more attractive version of yourself. And here's something most dating advice completely ignores. Memory triggers. The little things that connect you to positive emotions in her mind. Maybe it's a certain song you both liked. Maybe it's a place you went together. Maybe it's an inside joke you shared. These triggers work subconsciously to keep you present in her thoughts, even when you're physically absent. But you can't manufacture these triggers artificially. They have to emerge naturally from genuine shared experiences, which means when you were spending time together, you needed to be creating memorable moments, not just existing in her presence. This is also why intellectual stimulation matters so much. When you disappear, she shouldn't just miss your attention. She should miss the way you made her think, the perspectives you shared, the conversations that challenged her, the ideas you introduced her to. Most guys focus entirely on being agreeable and nice, but nice is forgettable. Interesting is memorable. Challenging is magnetic. When you offer her mental stimulation that she can't get elsewhere, your absence creates an intellectual void that's hard to fill. Now, when the time comes to re-emerge, and it will come, you need to do it strategically. Not when she first reaches out with a casual "Hey stranger" text. Not after just a few days of radio silence. You wait until the absence has been genuinely felt. And when you do come back, you come back different, more confident, more centered, more attractive. You don't explain where you've been. You don't apologize for the distance. You simply show up as a man who's been living well, growing, evolving. This isn't about playing games or manipulating emotions. This is about understanding basic human psychology. We value what's scarce. We chase what retreats. We miss what's absent. We want what we can't have. But here's the most important part that most guys completely miss. This strategy only works if you're genuinely building a better life for yourself. If you're just pretending to be busy while secretly obsessing over her, it won't work. She'll sense the desperation beneath the surface. The real power in this approach comes from authentic self-improvement. When you step back from chasing her and start chasing your own goals, your own growth, your own happiness, something magical happens. You become genuinely more attractive, not just to her, but to everyone around you. And that's when the real shift occurs. You stop being the guy who needs her attention to feel valuable. You become the guy whose attention is valuable because he's selective about where he invests it. Remember, attraction isn't logical. You can't argue someone into wanting you. You can't nice guy your way into someone's heart. But you can create the conditions where attraction has space to grow. And sometimes that means stepping back and letting her notice the void you leave behind. The goal isn't to make her miss you so she'll finally give you the relationship you want. The goal is to become the kind of man who's genuinely worth missing. And once you become that man, whether she comes around or not, you're still winning.